A friend asked me about this, so I tested it and here's what worked. If you're looking to add a bank account to your Payoneer for easy transfers, follow these steps. Step 1. Log into your Payoneer account. Start by accessing your Payoneer account through their website or mobile app. Make sure you have your login credentials ready. Step 2. Navigate to the settings menu. Once you're logged in, look for the settings option in the main menu. This is where you can manage your account details. Step 3. Select bank accounts. In the settings menu, find and click on bank accounts. This section allows you to add or manage your bank details. Step 4. Click add bank account. You will see an option to add bank account. Click this to start entering your bank information. Make sure to have your bank details handy, including your account number and routing number. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your bank details, review everything for accuracy and click confirm to save your changes. Keep an eye out for any error messages if something is incorrect. For example, if your routing number is off, Payoneer will prompt you to correct it. Adding a bank account to Payoneer can streamline your transfers, making it easier to manage your funds. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Payoneer support. Happy transferring!